Hello my friends, it is Katie. If you do not know who I am Danny's daughter. And today my mother has let me take complete control over the channel. I am so excited because today we'll be making a 4-ingredient Reese's Peanut Butter Cup smoothie. And no, there are no Reese's Peanut Butter Cups in there, but it sure does taste like it. So let's get started. First things that we'll be adding are 2 frozen bananas. In our household, whenever our bananas start to brown, we'll pop them in the freezer and save them for protein shakes, smoothies, and even ice cream. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate protein powder. My family really likes whey protein powder. It has a great flavor. It makes your smoothie super creamy. And I'll make sure that my mom puts a link to our favorites in the description box below. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter powder. This is dehydrated peanuts that my dad really likes to put in his smoothies as well. It's low in fat and high in protein, and if you don't have it or don't prefer it, you could use 1 to 2 tablespoons of all natural peanut butter. Our final ingredient is 1 cup of milk. I'm using organic 2% milk, but if you'd like a more non-dairy option, you could use almond milk or any milk of your choice. So now you're going to pop on a lid and blend this up. I like mine nice and thick and creamy, but if you would prefer yours thinner, you could add some more milk. This makes 1 to 2 servings. Me and my brother will usually share, but it really depends on how hungry you are. It really tastes like that. There's peanut butter Reese's in here, and it's so good. It's so chocolatey and so creamy. To me, it's really just like drinking a milkshake. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to let us know in the comments below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. And if you would like to see me in more clean and delicious videos, make sure to let my mom know down in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Katie Spees, and I'll see you next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers! And today, my mother has let me take in over the it is me. If you do not know why he...
That was great. That was...
You're messing up. Hello, my friends.